guys, it's Peter.
And Oni.
Together we are
Two Hungry Diners.
Well guys, it's a crazy time right now and we just hope you and your family are safe and healthy wherever you are. And we are in Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. And currently in Victoria, we are in stage 3 restrictions. And for the last 3 weeks, we've been staying mostly in our apartment, working from the apartment, working from home basically. Since we cannot go out, for the last couple of weeks, we've been thinking what we should do for our YouTube channel. And luckily, we come up with an idea.
We're going to show you some of the recipes, cooking recipes, baking recipe, anything in between, because we really love baking. We really love to spend our time in our kitchen, especially during this period of time. It's just a perfect time to, upskill our cooking.
We're gonna show you guys this viral recipe.
It's called Dalgona Coffee.
It's called Dalgona Coffee. We come up with 4 different recipes right now.
1 original and 3 different ways of making the Dalgona coffee to the next level.
Let's just get stuck into it, I think.
Yes, let's get into it. First thing first, we are going to show you how to make the original Dalgona coffee. This is the original recipe. So basically, Dalgona is milk with whipped coffee. So to make a whipped coffee, you need 3 ingredients, which is sugar, white sugar, we use castor sugar in this case. Instant coffee, what we love to use is the Nescafe Black Roast because it's dark, it's intense, it's strong, and it's gonna give a wonderful flavor, aroma, and the color on the whipped coffee, as well as the hot water. The last one is you need milk. The utensil that you need to prepare, obviously you need a bowl, a big bowl like this, and also a balloon whisk. Because we own this hand electric mixer, this is going to save us a lot of time if you guys use hand mixer like this. I'm going to make more than 2 cups. I think I'm gonna double the portion here. So I'm gonna make 4 tablespoons of everything. First one is the sugar. 4 tablespoons of the instant coffee. Now I'm going to add the hot water. I think I'm pretty happy with the consistency, guys. When you turn it upside down like this, it won't go down. I'm going to start assembling this original Dalgona coffee. First one, you need ice cube. If you prefer ice cube, if you don't want ice cube, that's fine. Just pour some milk onto your glass straight away. There you have it, Dalgona coffee.
So you gotta try to make a little bit of an effort to mix it a little bit, and then you get the coffee and the milk, but it's really nice, really creamy and velvety.
Creamy and velvety. That's the key of the perfect Dalgona coffee.
Are we making the next one?
Yes, let's get into the next recipe. The next one we are going to show you is the Avocado Dalgona coffee. So instead of using milk, we are going to use avocado smoothies. Since we are in Australia, we love our avos, and we are also love to drink avocado smoothies as Indonesians as well. So this is like Indonesian/Australian inspired Dalgona coffee. What you need is 1 avocado, cut it into half. And also you need a blender, some ice cubes, milk, and I think I'm gonna add some more water as well. What do you think? A little bit of stir. Yeah.
Yeah?
That's what I mean. Combination avocado and the whipped coffee. Oh, match made in heaven. Thick, smooth, you know, velvety. I think I always use this word a lot in this video. Velvety, soft, with coffee. Stop, move on to the next recipe.
Shall we move to the next one?
Yeah.
Okay guys, the next recipe for this dalgona coffee we're gonna share is the matcha dalgona. So instead of using the whipped coffee, we're gonna use the whipped matcha.
Yeah.
The way you make the whipped matcha is pretty similar when you want to make like an Italian meringue.
Yes.
So we're gonna cook the sugar with a little bit of water to create like a sugar syrup.
Yes.
And then once we whip the egg whites, we're gonna pour the sugars into the egg white
to cook
whips.
the egg.
Yeah, to cook the egg a little bit.
Yeah.
And then we pour the matcha powder into the mixture, right?
While waiting our sugar syrup to be cooked, I'm gonna prepare our egg whites. For that, you need 2 egg whites. I think our sugar syrup is ready to go. Look at that. Ooh. Looking good. Almost ready. Now it's time to add the matcha powder. The matcha powder you need is 3 teaspoons. Hey guys, I'm pretty happy how it turns out. It's like a very shiny, good consistency of the whipped matcha. So beautiful, guys.
That looks really good.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's sweet and bitter at the same time. I think I'm so happy. I'm just so happy how it turns out, and yeah, I think it's gonna be, if you put it on a cupcake, I think you'll be happy as well. Okay guys, the next one that I'm going to show you guys is the brown sugar boba dalgona. This is kind of inspired by the last brown sugar boba experience video that we had last time from Singputang, which is really awesome and we really love it. And today we're going to make our own brown sugar boba. We're gonna use these instant boba bowls, and we're gonna put some brown sugar into it. Cooking the boba is gonna involve 2 processes. First one with water and the second one with the brown sugar. The boba is already cooked and I already put that into the ice bath to cool it down a little bit. And we're gonna do the second cook, which is the putting with the brown sugar onto the boba. I think we need maybe a few tablespoons. 2 or 3 or maybe even 4, I think. Okay, let's cook the boba with the brown sugar. Okay guys, I think the boba is well cooked with the brown sugar. It's shiny, it's sticky, it's sweet. I love the look of it. Let's put some ice cubes. Let's put a little bit of the boba on the top. Look at that.
Okay,
cheers! Woo. Oh,
kind of
whoa,
messy
yeah,
now.
it's so messy, but that's okay. That's part of the fun, right? So good, right?
So
Oh.
it's much better than the original dalgona coffee. I think the matcha is the real winner here.
Yeah, I also love the matcha dalgona more than the original dalgona itself.
Yeah, it's really nice actually.
Yeah.
I think that's it from us. Hopefully you guys like this video. It's a little bit different.
Yep.
If you like this video guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs
up.
and consider subscribing to our channel. And yeah, stay foolish.
Stay hungry.
Bye!